name is Kane Salsabila Firdausia, and for this video, I'm going to talk about what we call voice and voiceless English sound. Have you ever wished that you can pronounce voice and voiceless consonant in the right way or in the right words? So here we go. Go ahead and touch your throat like this and say this sound. B, d, g. Do you feel that vibration in your throat? That vibration is caused by the vocal cords moving or vibrating in your throat. So you feel the vibration on your hand. These are called voice sound because the voice is on. So when you feel the vibration, it means it's a voice sound. Now touch your throat again and say this sound. B, d, g. Do you feel the vibration in your throat? No, it's not there, right? These are quiet sound or voiceless sound. The sound don't vibrate your throat because your vocal cords are open and loose, so the air flows through your throat freely. These are called voiceless sound because your voice is off. So when you don't feel the vibration on your throat, it means it's a voiceless sound.
Fat, too, cold, fat, thin, soup, mess, coach, hot, zoo, vacancy, this, bad, do, good, measure, judge, row, woo, yes.
Pat, two, caught, fat, think, sue, mesh, charge, hot, zoo, vacancy, this, bad, d, do, g, got, z, measure, d, judge, row, oh, whoa, you, yes. And for this video, I think using voice and voiceless English consonant in the right way or in the right words can make a big difference in terms of people understanding in English. So guys, that is for this lesson. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon for another